I am picking up my boyfriend tonight. He's coming from Texas. He's in the Army and he's coming in at 10:20. So I wanted to beat the snowstorm. So got here like at 9 o'clock. And his flight doesn't come until later, and I'm hoping and praying that it doesn't get canceled. So it was worth the drive and worth waiting all day.
This is the first real snow situation that we've had this season. Our crews have been working, work throughout the summer and into the fall and winter, preparing for it. So we have full crews ready to go, ready to take the runways and make sure they're clean and safe.